Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. And as you can see, these braids are very big, they're very jumbo. I have a total of 12 braids in my head, and I'm actually not gonna lie, I'm actually recording this intro and outro about a week, or actually about 2 weeks after I've done this hairstyle. I did record an introduction and outro on the same day that I was done doing the hair, but unfortunately the footage just wasn't too good. I was completely out of focus. So my hair isn't looking as fresh as it was looking on the first few days, so I'm sorry about that. So anyway, back to the point of this video. This is a very easy hairstyle. It takes me like about 1.5 hours to install, and I'm sure if you are like a pro braider, if you used to braiding your hair with extensions, then it should take you like even less time. And I can't remember how many bags I used because I actually already did this hairstyle about a month ago, and this time now that I recorded for you guys, I used the exact same hair that I used previously, which is why I can't remember how many bags, or I mean how many packets I used, but I'm quite sure that I used under 3. If I'm not mistaken, it was 2.5, but just buy 3 bags just in case. Okay, I guess that's everything I have to say for now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I guess I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off on hair that was washed 2 days ago. So all I did was part my hair already in the shower while it was wet. Just because, guys, one thing about me, I cannot part to save my life. I struggle, I take forever to part. So it's much easier for me to part my hair while it's wet. So I try to do that in the shower. So I hope you guys don't mind that I came here with pre-parted sections. I hope that's not a big deal. And basically all I did is, after parting my hair in the shower, I twisted my hair up in all of these sections, and then I just bantu knot that twist just to like stretch out my hair and to allow it to dry in a stretched state. Ideally, or if you want, you can just blow dry your hair, but I don't really like blow drying my hair prior to doing a protective style. I don't know why, it's just like, I usually like to install my protective styles on wet hair or on heatlessly stretched hair. So basically, yeah, twisting my hair up and doing bantu knots allows me to get a heatless stretch. So okay, let's get straight into this. So I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. I followed my normal wash day routine. So let me show you what we're going to be using today. So I'm going to be using some of this ISO Plus edge control and holding gel to hold my roots to you. Just to, I don't know, why am I applying this? You know, just to make my roots nice and smooth and to make it blend nicely with the hair, because we are adding extra hair today. So I had already done this hairstyle about a week ago, so I'm just gonna use the same sections that I had already used the other time. One thing you want to do is, when you trying to like figure out how much hair you should add to your hair, make sure that the thickness of the bundle of hair that you're going to be adding to your own hair isn't thicker than your actual hair thickness. So I first started off by using sections that were just as thick, but then I felt like my braids were too big, like they were too jumbo. So I actually removed a bit of hair. So these sections are actually thinner than the thickness of my own hair. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but basically, yeah, they're much thinner and it makes it look more natural, at least to me. Let's get started before I ramble any longer. So let me unravel. I'm going to start from the back. What I'm going to do is grab some of the edge control and I'm going to apply it onto the edges. So let's just, and guys, excuse my lines in the back. As I mentioned, I'm not good at parting, and I didn't use a mirror while I was parting my hair at the back. Silly me, I know. So it is what it is. I don't feel like changing it. I doubt anyone's really gonna check me, and if they do, what is your business? Okay, and then I'm actually gonna also apply some edge control to the length of my hair. So about this much for now. It's just gonna help smooth my hair, but I'm only gonna do it on the outer layers really. So this is just to make sure that the hair blends seamlessly, or as seamlessly as possible with the extension. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just grab the extension, and then we are going to put it, or like place it on either side of our own natural hair. So we're gonna pretend that like this, all of this is our own natural hair. Like pretend that this is a section of my natural hair, pretend that this is also a section of my natural hair, and that this is a section of my natural hair. So we're gonna literally just start braiding as if we were braiding our own natural hair. So don't think about, just start braiding. So I'm just gonna start braiding by pulling the one on the right, and then pulling the one on the left, and then pulling the one on the right, pulling the one on the left, and so forth and so forth. Then after a while it gets a bit awkward for me to like braid in this position, so I always like turn around, or like I don't really turn around, but I bring this hand forward and then I continue braiding, because it's less awkward for me. So, and then I braid. And then make sure that while you're braiding, you're smoothing the edge control and you're smoothing your hair downwards to ensure that your hair blends in as seamlessly as possible with the extension. And I'm gonna get a bit more of edge control and apply it around, and then continue to braid. Once I feel like I'm running out of hair, I make sure that I wait until my hair is here in the middle. And what I do is I steal, or I borrow, I borrow some hair from this, not too much, but like a third from this section, and a third from the other section too. So basically I have this section here, this section, my natural hair is somewhere amongst all of this hair, and just gonna carry on braiding normally. Then as you go, you can still borrow more hair if you feel like it, and then just keep on braiding until the end. And then this, from here onwards, it's literally just the normal simple braid until the bottom. Making sure you're making it like as tight as you possibly can without hurting yourself, your scalp that is. I'm literally gonna braid until I can't no more, and I think that's about enough. So I have like this straggly end that's here. I'm just gonna grab a pair of scissors, but not now because I can't find them. And that's pretty much how it's looking. And okay, let's move on to the next one. Applying edge control to the perimeter of the section. Hoop it around your own hair. And now we're going to pretend like this is all our hair. We're just gonna start doing a braid, grabbing the right, then grabbing the left, then grabbing from the right, then grabbing from the left, grabbing from the right, grabbing from the left, grabbing from the right, and grabbing from the left. Okay, now I'm gonna turn around for you guys because I'm going to bring my arm forward now and I'm going to start braiding. Smoothing it down as I go. Again, always making sure to add edge control as needed and smoothing the hair down. Okay, so now that I'm getting towards the bottom again, I'm gonna borrow some from either side, about a third. And then just gonna continue braiding. So I have some henna left in my hair because I did a mask. So if you see some like weird brown things, it's that. Okay, so it's actually the next day already. So this is how my braids are looking. This is how my ends are looking. I'm still gonna dip them. I haven't dipped them yet, so I'm gonna do that on camera in case you guys are curious to see how that goes. So here it goes. I'm not gonna dip much of it because my hair is quite long. So for this section here, my hair ends, oh yeah, I can see it here. So this is where my hair is ending. So I don't wanna boil my own hair. So I'm just gonna do just the tips. Oh, let me get a towel before I burn myself. Let me dip this one first. So I just boiled some water in my kettle and then I poured it into this jug. Okay, so that's this side done, and then I'm just gonna do this off camera and then come back. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you did think that it was somewhat helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And let us know if you're gonna be trying this hairstyle anytime soon. And if you do try out this hairstyle anytime soon, or any of our hairstyles or any of our DIY recipes, do tag us on social media. You can find the information to all of our social media accounts down below in the description. And I guess we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!